Hello, baby Raot. This is baby Raot, and this is Kael. Hello, Kael. Say hello to the vlog. Say hello to the vlog, Kael. Meow. Meow. Baby Raot. Hello, this is baby Raot. And Kael, yeah. Hello, say hello, baby Raot. Kanina ka pa, baby Raot. Come on. Look at the camera. Say hello. Baby Raot. Okay, hello. Say hello. Yan. Yung ano mo. Steady, steady. Sit there, sit there. Model ko kayo din. Babski, sina? Model ka nga. Go back there. Hello, this is Kael. So guapo. And that's Babski. Hello, Babski. Hello, what are you doing? Hi, say hello. Say hello to the vlog. Hello, Kael. What can you say about what's happening in the world, Char? Okay, wala silang pake. Chill lang. Katatapos lang nila kumain. So peaceful here in the province. I love it here. Hello, Kael. Say hello. Hi, this is Kael again. Okay. Oh, hi, Kuleng. Hello. Hello, Kuleng. Hi. I have two ginger cats right now. Kuleng, say hello. Say hello. This is Kuleng. Yay! Hello daw, guys. Sabi ni Kuleng. So lambing naman may Kuleng. This is Kael. See? There two na. Where's baby Raot? Oh, si Piolo is coming ah. I have another cat. He's coming right now. Hello, this is baby Raot. Hello, and that's Piolo. He's gonna come right here. Piolo, hi, come on. See, I have a lot of pets now. They're all over. Hey, Piolo, hi, say hi. That's Piolo. This is Kuleng. And this is Kael. He's cleaning. Hello. Babski. Babski dong. So serious naman. Oo. Eh. Biro. Takot na naman si Kael sa'yo. Away mo na naman. It's okay, Kael. Awayin si Kael. Be friendly, Babski. That's why you don't have friends, eh. You're not friendly. Okay, come on. This is Kuleng Leng. Okay, it's getting dark now. Bye-bye.